Alrighty guys, so here's the deal. We still waiting on get this, the complete harness, guys. This truck ventured off a road. Y'all see this? Now we got the wheel cover off, but however, what we found while all those warning lights on, guys, this whole harness was ripped out of here. Here's the thing, guys, you cannot buy these connectors by themselves. Okay, they do not sell these independently, right? And we'll be here all week trying to, yeah, okay, so the insurance company will essentially have to pay for the complete harness. All right, now I got to go to the parts department. I think this harness travel, of course, all the way to the rear, some type of body harness, but we might have to lift the cab up off of it in order to gain access to it. But yeah, when you venture off the road, yeah, we had to put new tires and rim on it, busted up the rim, as you can see the cover. But let me go up to the parts counter now and see if we can find this. It'd be real simple to find this connector and hook it back together, but it's not that simple. So bad news, a change of plan. We can't get this connector. So you know what it got to result to? That's right, guys, we got to pick out the colors and we got to solder them together. We're basically going to bypass the connector, right? So there will not be no connection between point A and point B, because we literally just going to close this circuit up. We can't find the harness and we have no other option. They don't make the harness include a lot of things that the insurance company don't want to do, so they just tagged on a whole bunch of hours. Now the thing about this, you got to be careful because we got to make sure we match. In fact, I'm going to the wiring diagram myself, and we're gonna look these color codes up based off the connector to make sure we connect them to the right wires, because the tracer can get you in trouble. It can be an orange wire but with a white tracer, and if you don't pick the exact same one, yeah, you're in trouble, man. All right, so I got some work to do. I'll be here all day, man. Y'all stay tuned.